So far, we have seen the probability mass function, PMF, which gives the probability of a discrete random variable taking a particular value. It helps us answer questions like, what is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads in 3 coin tosses? But what if we want to know the probability of getting at least or at most 2 heads? This is where the cumulative distribution function comes into play. Let's understand the CDF with the same example we used in the binomial distribution chapter video. Recall that we had a fair coin that we tossed 3 times and we wanted to find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads. We defined PMF of binomial distribution like this. Then using this formula, we calculated the probability of getting all possible values of x such as 0, 1, 2, and 3. And finally, using these probabilities, we plotted the PMF of the binomial distribution. Cumulative distribution function, also known as CDF in short, is the probability that a random variable x will take a value less than or equal to x. To find the probability of getting values less than or equal to x, we essentially accumulate the PMF values of all values less than or equal to x. It will become clearer if we plot the CDF of the binomial distribution using the PMF values we calculated earlier. The idea is to take the PMF value of each value less than or equal to x and accumulate them to find the CDF value of x. As you can see from the plot, the CDF value of x is the sum of all PMF values of values less than or equal to x. For example, the CDF value of 1 is the sum of PMF values of 0 and 1, which is 0.5. Mathematically, the CDF of a random variable x at x is defined like this, where f of x is the CDF value of x. We can rewrite this equation in the form of summation of PMF values of all values less than or equal to x. Now let's use this formula to find the CDF value of at least 2 heads in 3 coin tosses. To find the CDF value of 2, we need to sum the PMF values of 0, 1, and 2. Next, we can plug in the PMF values we calculated earlier to find the CDF value of 2. Looking at the CDF plot, we can see that the CDF value of 2 matches the value we calculated using the formula. I hope you found the concept of CDF using visualizations helpful. That's all for this video, and in the next video we will begin our discussion on a new topic called expectation. Thanks for watching.